Today I had the opportunity to ride in a convertible for the first time. This is our friend's 1967 Oldsmobile Cutlass with a freshly rebuilt Oldsmobile 350. Now we were just taking it out for a drive to make sure that all the components were working correctly since the rebuild. Now this was a really exciting thing for me because I have been considering getting a convertible as my next car, and I wanted to test it out to make sure I like it before I commit to buying one. So welcome to today's video. I hope you guys have a fun time following along this adventure. I would like to note that I was having a blast. I was having a really good time, and I was sitting in the back, and I was kind of unprepared for the amount of wind that I was experiencing, so the next time that I sit back there, I am 100% going to wear a hat or something. Hey, it's me again. Huge emphasis on the hat idea because just look. So far, it was a very fun experience, and it has definitely sold me on getting a convertible in the future. Now you may be wondering, what kind of convertible would I consider buying? Now if you've been around my channel for a while, you would know that my favorite car ever is the Ford Mustang. I myself have a 64.5 coupe, and I think that in the future I might try to get a 67 convertible. However, if I decide to branch out from Mustangs a little bit, growing up my dad was always interested in Chevy C10s, and I think it would be really cool to have an old 70s Blazer or an old GMC Jimmy. My dad asked if I wanted to go for another ride, and you bet that I was going to come prepared. As you could see, I had my hat on, I had my ponytail, and I was ready for the road. This was a wonderful experience. 10 out of 10, would do it again. I love all the fresh air you get whenever you have the top down.